Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I do a half sew-in wig. You pretty much can wear it up in a high ponytail or you can wear it down. It's pretty much undetectable, but if you have long hair like I do, you want to make sure that your sew-in pattern, your braids, are as flat as possible. There's not a certain braid pattern that you need. As long as you leave some hair out around the perimeter, you can braid your hair in a circular pattern, or you can just braid it going straight from the front to the back. I'm currently sewing in the 3.5 bundles of Brazilian body wave. I chose the body wave just because I like how it has a lot of bounce to it. But you don't have to use 3.5 bundles. I decided to use that because I like my hair to be a little bit more fuller when I pull it up into a ponytail. You want to use the single tracks towards the perimeter of your hairline, and that just helps to ensure that when you pull your hair back, it's pretty much seamless. Now once I get to the center of the wig, I'll start doubling up my tracks. That way I'll get that fuller look. I'm gonna let you guys finish watching the video without any interruptions, but if you have any questions, make sure you leave them down below. And you want to make sure that you pay close attention to how I'm sewing in the tracks. This is pretty much seamless. As you can see, you can pull this thing up into a high ponytail. You can put it in a high bun and nobody will be able to detect that this is not your hair. You just need to make sure that your braiding pattern is as flat as you can possibly make it. So I've already sewn down the tracks to the cap, but I'm sewing down the perimeter of the hair to the cap just to make sure that it doesn't lift when I go to sew it into my hair. You see the thread that's in between where I sewed at first? Now that I use the sewing machine and I sew down the perimeter, you can actually cut off that extra string and it's not going to lift at all. Now you can remove the excess cap from around the perimeter of the wig, and that is why I sew it down, so that way when you cut it, it's not going to pull back from the track. Okay, so I'm gonna do a 360 spin so that way you guys can see what it looks like all the way around. Now again, if you do your sew-in or your braiding pattern flat, you won't have that many lumps. Now for me, my hair is right to the middle of my back, so when I try to sew my hair down, it's kind of hard to try to fit all of that hair into one small space, but you can do it. Just make sure your braiding pattern is as flat as you could possibly get it. You can wear this hair up or you can wear it down. Both ways look very natural. If you look at the back of the hair, it has like a wavy look to it. When I washed the hair after I created the wig, I wrapped it around in a tight bun and let it dry that way. And I just didn't have enough time to flat iron it before doing this video. Most people think that 3.5 bundles is too much when you're wearing a half wig, but it's not. It actually gives it a fuller look, and it doesn't make the wig look wiggish. It actually looks very natural. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.